Point of No Return is the first and only studio album by the singer Shareefa. It was released on October 24, 2006. It debuted at number 25 on the Billboard 200 with over 40,000 copies sold in its first week. Track listing. Sample credits. Cry No More contains samples of The Miracle by the Stylistics. You Told Me contains an interpolation of Haunting Me by Dave Grusin. Need a Boss contains samples of Let's Put It All Together by the Stylistics. Butterfly contains samples of Mellow Mood, Part 1, by Barry White. Phony contains samples of Earth, Wind, and Fire by Earth, Wind, and Fire. Assumptions contain samples of Win or Lose by Windy City. Hey Babe contains an interpolation of Dedicated to the One I Love by the Shirelles. Trip In contains samples of Munchies for Your Love by Bootsy Collins. Feta, He Don't Know contains samples of Hanjin Downtown by Cameo. Release history. Charts. References.